Hello everyone. Today we will teach you how to model a drinking can step by step. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, let's get started. Add a reference image. The download link will be provided in the description. Adjust the image to the correct orientation. Control the opacity of the image and position it so that we can view it only from the front. Add a cylinder and move it up by pressing G plus Z plus 1. Adjust the vertices accordingly. Extrude downward. Press E plus Z to extrude downward. Scale down. Press S to scale and adjust. Press Ctrl plus R to add loop cuts and align them with the reference image. Extrude and adjust. Continue extruding and shaping the model. Add another loop cut for better shape refinement. Extrude upward. Press E plus Z to extrude upward. Scale and extrude. Press E plus S to adjust the shape. Press Ctrl plus B and use the mouse wheel to add 3 to 4 segments. Select the middle vertices, press M and choose Merge at Center. Repeat similar steps for the top part of the can, extruding and scaling accordingly. Scale and extrude. Press E plus S to adjust the shape and move slightly upward. Add another loop cut and adjust the inner vertices for the correct shape. To smooth the surface, select the necessary vertices and press Ctrl plus B. Apply this step wherever additional smoothness is required. Press Ctrl plus 3 to apply a subdivision modifier for a smoother look. Create a new collection and name it Enable the appropriate option to reference images in place, preventing accidental movement while modeling. Add another enter edit mode and select all vertices except the ones aligned with the reference image. Press H to hide them. Follow the steps as demonstrated in the video, while also observing the key presses displayed on the left side. Open the shader editor and add a new material. Set the base metallic color to a silver shade, similar to a real aluminum can. Adjust metallic and roughness settings to achieve the desired look. In the emission section, set the color to white and increase the intensity slightly. Add a cube and enter Edit mode. Select the top face and delete it. Select all edges, press Ctrl+B, and apply bevel to smooth the corners. Add lights using Shift+A. Finally, render the scene. And that's it. Here are the final rendered images of our drink can model. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe. If anything was unclear, let me know in the comments section, and I will be happy to assist you.